Hello beautiful people, so today we will be making bitter leaf soup with ingredients gotten for us by TDS Foods. So if you're outside Nigeria and you need to get any of our local stuff or anything at all, TDS Food is your plug. In fact, TDS Foods will not only help you source for your item, they would help you process them, package them, and send it right down to your doorstep. Isn't that amazing? So I'll put your link in the description box. So come with me as we cook our bitter leaf soup.